hello and welcome everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you here how you access using access code on booking.com. So first, you know see that you should start to know that email address to access code to it. So all you need to do is about to click here, click on my account, and then it's gonna about to go to be leading to your account here. Just to start to go to click on personal list details. Now as you can see, you're gonna have here like email address, like phone number. If you just type in email address and edit it, you're gonna start to have some kind of access through your verification of your Gmail. And then also the same thing with your phone number. If you type in your phone number, that's gonna that is really about to be satisfied to access this. Just type Gmail, your account Gmail. I go here, Gmail. Then you're gonna start to open your Gmail like this. It's gonna absolutely pop up. You should start to log in through your Gmail. Once you Gmail, you will find a list of inbox that's gonna help you to add your 6-digit code. So that's all about. Also the same manner with your